Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial we'll write a Python program to display an addition table. Our output will look like this. It is an addition table of size 5. First here we can see the addition symbol, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column numbers, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that is the row number. Then here we'll get the sum of row number and column number. That is 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, here 3 plus 3 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 7, 5 plus 5 is 10. Like this. This is our output. Alright, next let's write the program. In a Python file, first we'll ask the user to enter the size of the table. We'll take the user input for that. Here we will write the message as enter the size of the table, and we'll use the input function. Because here table size is an integer number, we'll use int function to convert the input to integer. Next, I'll divide the output into 4 sections to make the code easier to write and manage. So the first section is this plus operator or symbol and this. And the second part is column number. Then here we want to print this line, that is the third section. And the last section is this one. First, let's write the code for section 1, first section. We want to print this plus operator in the center as well as this symbol. For that, I'll use print function. And as I said, I want to print plus like this. And next, followed by this operator like this. Control S will get like this. But here, I want to format these strings. For that, I'll use F strings. I'll use center alignment and I'll take width as minimum width as 4. Now if I save this and execute this, we'll get like this. This is our desired output. So done with the first part. And next let's write the code for section 2. Here we want to print column numbers like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 is the size of the table. Column number starts with 1. For that, I'll use for loop, and here I'll take variable name as column number in range. I'll use range function 1 to size plus 1. If size is 10, then I'll get the column numbers from 1 to 10. If size is 5, I'll get column number as 1 to 5 like this. And here we want to print the column number. So here column number, as well as I want to format it, I'll use the same alignment, center alignment and width as 4. Let's save this and execute this. So here we'll get output like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But here we want all this in the single line. We want all that in the same line. So here we need to use end, and I'll take end value as space. Here also we need to do the same. Now if I save this and execute this, 5. And here you can see the section 1 and section 2 of our output. Next is section 3. We want to print this line. So to print this line, I'll use print function. Let's take print function like this. We want to print this string. How many times? I want to print it size multiply 5 plus 5. Why? That is because here I'll take minimum width for each number as 4. And here we took end as space. Total width is 5. So I'll take size multiply 5. Why this plus 5? That is because of this symbol. Here also width for this symbol is 4, as well as we'll take end as space. Total width is 5. That's why I'll take plus 5. Here you need to use multiplication symbol, not plus. Save and execute. And it will print everything in the same line. We want this line in the next line, new line. So here first use /n and concatenate that here. Now here you can see the output. Done with the section 3. Next let's talk about the last section, that is this one. Here first we want to print numbers. This is row numbers here. Then we want to print this symbol, as well as we want to print sum. For this, we'll use nested for loops. First for loop is for row, I'll take 1 to size plus 1. Here inside the row, first we want to print row number, right? So here let's print that. Let's use center alignment with 4. Then this symbol. Initially, inside the first for loop, we want to print row number. For that, I'll use this. Then inside this, let's take the for loop for column. 1 to size plus 1. Here we want to print the sum, that is row plus column, and I'll format that row plus column. Let's use center alignment and width as 4. Here I need to use end is equal to space, because in a row we want to print the numbers in the same line, that's why. Next, here you need to use print function, because after a row we want to print the next row in the next line. For that, we'll use this print function. I think we are done with all the 4 sections. Let's save this and execute this. I'll take 5, and here you can see the wrong output. Here also we need to take end as space, save and execute, and here you can see the output. This is our addition table. If I want table size as 10, and here you can see the table. Here if you want, you can change the row numbers also, like this. 2 multiply size plus 1, save and execute. Let me take 10, and here you can see 11, 12, 13, 14, like this. We'll get different addition table. Okay, so this is about addition table, how we can display an addition table using simple print function and for loops. Here string formatting plays an important role. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.